Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make Jaffa cake brownies. Let's begin. To get started on today's recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a mixing bowl, and into your mixing bowl place your butter and place that into the microwave and melt it over a medium-high heat just until it's melted. Whisk together to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully melted. Then add in your cocoa powder and whisk the two together until they are very well combined. The mixture should become smoother and glossier. Once you've achieved that, you can then go ahead and add in all of your sugar and just whisk this in again until it's fully incorporated, but this time the mixture will become a little granular. This is completely normal and what you're looking for. Don't forget to then add in your orange zest. Feel free to use your orange of choice. I just used a large navel orange. Then you can add in your vanilla extract, your orange extract and your eggs, and just whisk until everything is fully incorporated and very well combined. Now go ahead and add in your flour and your chocolate chips and just then fold these in until they are fully incorporated and you have a clear brownie batter. You're not looking to see any of a single ingredient. So once you've achieved that, you can go ahead and grab your lined cake tin or pan which has been lined with some parchment paper and add in around half of your brownie batter and just spread that out and get as level as possible. So on top of that brownie layer, you can go ahead and place your Jaffa cakes. You'll want to get around 4 in a row, and that means you should have around 16. They will overlap a little bit in places, but don't worry, it's completely fine. But they won't overlap too much anyway. You just want them to be as close together as possible, but you don't want to cover one too much with another one. So just place as many on there as you can possibly do, but don't overlap them too much. Add the remainder of the brownie batter on top and just spread and level that out until it's as level as can be. This will help with the baking consistency. Once you've got it spread and level, you can go ahead and place that into the oven and bake it off. All that information will be linked in the blog post, which will be linked down below. You can then slice these brownies into as many or as few slices as you would like. I went with 9 as this is the perfect amount, but feel free to cut them into bigger or smaller portions depending on the occasion or however you're going to be serving these. And here is what they look like. It's got a slightly crackled top. Then you can see you've got the dense brownie with all the chocolate chips studded, and you can see the Jaffa cake, which has got the Jaffa cake layer, the sponge layer, and the jelly on top, which is perfect. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me over on there. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.